Hey guys, it's Josh. So recently Sierra and I got invited to go to the American Apparel headquarters factory in downtown LA. And the reason that we got invited is because they're having their biggest Black Friday sale they've ever had. And so right now is like a good time to go there and get clothes if you need them. It was also really cool because we got to take an entire tour throughout their entire factory. And it was really cool because I got to bring my camera along, so I was thinking about you guys, and now I'm gonna get to show you guys everything that I saw. But before I do show you guys the clips, I just wanted to say that it was really cool because I got to see like the back end of like how American Apparel's clothes are made. And it was really interesting because it's not a sweatshop, it's like made downtown LA. And the people that are working there are actually like so happy. And you'll see in the clips what I mean. And something that's really cool too now that I can say is that when I walk into American Apparel stores is a little bit different for me because I used to walk in and think that the prices were a little bit high, and now I understand why the prices are a little bit higher is because everything is made downtown LA. The workers are having a good time doing it. They're getting paid a fair wage, and it's just like really good working conditions. Right now I'm wearing this hoodie and I actually got to see how it was made, and like people are happy when they're making the clothing, which is really cool. So I'm not gonna keep rambling. I'm just gonna show you guys the clips that I got, and I enjoyed it, so I really hope that you guys enjoy it, but let's start it.
How expensive American Apparel is, but it's because we make it right here in this building. Well, the librarian's not in, so if ever we want to revisit a style or discontinue a style or redo a style, we go to the fabric, or we go to the sample library. Everybody makes the patterns. We could make patterns in 3D now, right, girls? Yes. Once we have the sample approved and ready to go, then it has to go into production. These people have to pick all the numbers, and if they mess up, it messes everything up. This is like the retail department, right? And so they just look at what the stores need all day long. Some nitty-gritty things here right now. You don't mind walking through a tunnel to get to the other side, do you?
Oh no, let's do it.
We can produce up to 1 million pieces of clothing a week.
Whoa.
That's a lot. Oh look, people are working. We're about to enter the leather department.
It's not bag, it's like
a purse. Mm-hmm. Cool.
Okay, let me tell you something. Shoe business, it's no more in America. It's finished business. You know? Everything done through overseas. We are maybe left about 6-7 guys. who knows, real shoemaking.
I didn't know we were making leather ones.
Wow. There's so many mannequins. Like a box of legs. Just a box of legs. So crazy.
Onto here, and then after they sew it onto here, they bring it over to these guys, and then these guys put it in here like this already sewn, and then it goes down and it clamps, and then it puts the bottoms of the shoe.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. This is where we do t-shirts. Hi, Spring. Spring is our first ever retail employee, the first one, and she's still so beautiful. We also have a doctor's office. Oh, wait, confidentiality agreement. Close your eyes while the to witness something crazy! Have you ever wondered where your hoodie strings come from?
I always lose those hoodie strings. Now we're gonna check out socks.
This is our trim department, so everything that they need to make an outfit, they put this in the bundles. And there's like a library, so like the designers and the creatives could come here and look through all of the trims that they could use for stuff that they're designing. Here's where we repurpose vintage pieces. I swear this is the end of the tour.
Alright, so I gotta say that was like really cool that I actually got to walk through an entire factory and like film all that stuff. So I hope that you guys liked the video. I had a really good time filming it and just meeting everybody there, and everybody was so helpful and nice and happy, and when other people are happy it just makes me happy. So I hope that you guys like it. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below what you thought. So I hope that you guys have a good rest of your day, and I love you guys, and I will see you next Saturday in my next video. Bye!